Hi! So today I am unboxing my September Boxycharm, and yes, it is the regular Boxycharm, not the Boxy Luxe. I kind of touched on it in a previous video, I can't remember what one, but I was pretty bummed out that I didn't get Boxy Luxe because I wanted it so bad and I tried so hard, but I'm not going to get into it or rant. I know you guys have all heard about it already, and it kind of got me in a bad mood for a few days, and I don't like that. I want to keep positive vibes going, so I'm not even going to get into it. I'm on the wait list for December, and I was watching a YouTuber's video, the Not So Evil Stepmother. She was giving some spoilers. I'll link her below. She's good to watch for Boxycharm spoilers. But she said she heard from the company that everyone that's on the wait list for December is supposed to get the box. So hopefully that'll happen. You never know, but that's what they're saying, so I'm just gonna go with that. I did really like this box. I already tried everything on. I'll link that at the end, or add that video at the end if you want to watch the try-on portion. I liked everything. The lip is a little dark, but anyways, I'll just unbox and then I'll talk about it. I know I'm a little late in the game to post on this, so that's why I did dig into the box before just unboxing it for the first time with you guys. So, typical box. You open it up, there's all the foam and stuff, and then the paper. So I added it up, and the total of my box is $117, which is good. They always guarantee over $100. And if you don't know, Boxycharm is $21 per month. You usually get 4 to 5, or they say 4 to 5 full-size items, but really you get 5 to 6 in my experience. This month is 5. And there's usually a palette of some sort. But yeah, so the wildflowers is the theme. And there are some deals if you wanted to pause and look at those, or I can put them below if you want. Let me know. I'll give them to you. So I tried on everything but one item, so I'll tell you as you go. So I'm just gonna start at the top. So the first thing is the Pretty Vulgar, the Nightingale Smoky Eyeshadow Palette, and I do have that on my eye today. And this is $35, and this is more of a cool tone palette and has a mirror, which is nice. I used that today. So it's really good for like a smoky eye. I like it. I used a tutorial for mine. I'll link that below. I went off that. I didn't do it exactly, but pretty much. And I did maybe a little less intense because it is like 10 a.m. right now. But I think it turned out pretty well. This is my favorite thing so far, one of my favorite things in the box. So like last month's palette, not for me, but this one, I can see myself reaching for. So there's 12 shades. You can see there, they all have names on them. I like it. And I like how it has a mirror, because it really made it convenient when I was filming, because I was trying to look in my other mirror, but this is just so much easier just to do right here. So yeah, $35, I like that. And then the next thing on here is a Laura Geller Baked Blush and Brighten. I actually have this in a different color, so I double checked. It's not the same color I have, so I used it. And this is in Tropic Hues, and I think this is really pretty. I'm not sure if you can really see it. It's like on camera, it's a subtle pink. This is what it looks like. I think I swatched it earlier, but I'll swatch it again if you want to see. Oh, there's still some remnants of the lip product. That did not come off with the makeup wipe completely. So it must be long lasting, which it's a little dark on me. But anyways, this is $20 like I said. I love it. It says, let's see. Gorgeous glowy flush to your cheeks with this baked blush. Stunning swirls of liquid pigments are baked in Italy. Oh. For 24 hours on a terracotta tiles and hand finished into a silky dome of powder. This smooth and long-wearing formula is paraben-free and infused with skin-loving antioxidants. Ooh, fancy. I like Laura Geller stuff, and I liked this too, so far so good with this box. And the next thing I was super excited about, because I love getting brushes, I get a brush set from Alamar Cosmetics. This is $18, so there is a blending brush, which I really liked. I used all of these actually, and then there's just a regular shader brush, and then this little brush for like the lower lash line. I really liked all these. You can also use this for your brows, I bet. I didn't do that today, but I can see it working well for that. So I really like them. I think they're cute. I love the green, it's different, and I get so excited about receiving brushes in my boxes. So I'm super happy with that, and they perform well, so that was great. The next thing is this lipstick, which I don't think it looks like this on my lips. I added a gloss because it was like too much for me, but like I do like the packaging on this. So this is by Hank & Henry. This is $17. It's a liquid lipstick, and it looks like it's a bullet lipstick, but really when it's not, you take it out, it's a liquid lipstick. And I think it looks darker on my face than even when I swatched it, which I'm not gonna do again. As you can see, it doesn't really come off. But this is in the color Petal Pusher, and I think it's just a little, it doesn't really work for my skin tone, but I do think it's so cute and I like the packaging, and I wish it did. I had to put some lip gloss over it because it just wasn't really working for me. You can see it without when my try on portion of the video, but yeah, I don't know, I might have to pass this on to a friend, or maybe I'll try it out again, but it's a little dark for me. I like more lighter nudes, I guess I should say. Some people would say this is more of a nude, but yeah, and it was a little dry too. It's a matte liquid lipstick, so it feels a lot better with the gloss over it, personally. So the next thing is the one item I did not try, and this is a Butter London Stroke of Wow Roll-On Precision Liner, and I really like the idea of this. The reason why I didn't open it is because I have so many liners opened already, and I'm trying not to waste them because yeah, the expiration is 6 months, so I will try this eventually. And also I haven't used liner with my false lashes I have on, or the lash extensions, which are pretty much falling out, but I should practice that off camera. But I'm really excited to try this once I'm done with my other liquid liners. This is $19, and I've heard good things about it, so I'm excited to try that. So yeah, good box, right? I think it's better than last month, for sure. It's one of my favorite. I think it's great for fall. For $21, totally worth it. $117, pretty much $100 more than what you pay for. You know, I wish I got the Boxy Luxe, but I'm happy with what was in the regular Boxycharm this month. So, anyways, if you want to see me try on everything or almost everything, then keep watching. But if not, I hope you have a great day. All right, bye guys. Alright, that concludes today's video. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed it. Like I said earlier, I will leave links below to the tutorial I used for this look. Also for Boxycharm itself, if you want to join, if you haven't already, I highly recommend it, even though the whole drama that happened, which we will not talk about because positive vibes only. But yeah, if you don't know, I post every day at 11, and if you have not yet subscribed, I would love it if you did, but no pressure, only if you want to. If you like beauty and unboxings and beauty boxes, all that, that's pretty much what I do here. So thank you again for stopping by, and I'll see you tomorrow. Bye.